Here, I'll go back over here.
It's a coffee. Say puppy.
Puppies.
It's
Puppies. Puppies.
Oh, Shelby.
Not mama.
Like, you are mama.
Shelby, you better get out of here. You're gonna get attacked. Call her up there.
Oh, look at them. They're ready. They're like bouncing.
Cheryl, call Shelby. She doesn't
Shelby,
want them to nurse anymore.
Shelby, come here.
She just can't figure out, like, every time she comes out here.
Good girl. Okay, now
Shelby, keep Shelby there. Last time they did it. Oh, they're playing now.
oh, look at that one's carrying this. Boy. Shelby, stay.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, that's cute. He's like getting ready to pounce. Jeez. Who is that?
That's female.
Is it? Oh, that's Lily. She's gonna be a handful. Shelby, stay. Stay.
Look at the one with the pink bunny carrot. You're right.
Shelby, stay. Shelby wants the pink bunny, that's why. See? She wants it. She's like, that's fine, pink bunny.
She knows it's hers too. Ow. Oh, the camera just like